they just lay on it, boy. That one's out there a bit. He's getting a lot of splish. That's all right, folks. Welcome back. Well, I guess I was out a little late last night. After this video rolled, I stayed out for a little while longer and had a couple of taps. You know, those little taps keep you going, but didn't hook anything else up. Thanks for joining us on this video, and welcome back to another episode of Unfiltered Fishing with Nikki and Jay. And Nikki is at work, and so she did not get to join us in our adventure last night, which was a great one because I've been chasing one of these guys around all year, and I was finally able to catch up with him. I'm not going to say too much more because I say a lot in the video itself. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe. We need subscribers. We're getting close. Remember, 500 subscriber giveaway. When we get close, I'll announce it. Hit the bell notification for future content like this if you like this video. So no, I'm just gonna let most of this video roll and play out. I did do a lot of talking, so I don't know how important it is, but thanks for watching. Plenty of bait back here, that's for sure. Real good hits. Tiny taps. Again. This time I got, oh, I dropped them. There's a bunch of small fish. There he is. Okay. They're just tapping at it. It's sitting right next to me. Whatever it is. Bluefish or a bass? Hey, stripe. Stripey boy. Alright. You can live with that. Very excellent. Get the tap. Not big, some schoolies. You can deal with that. Definitely deal with that tonight. Pliers here. There you go. There you go. Baby boy. Moving us. All right. A little Backbay striper action. Ladies and gentlemen. Off she goes. Feeling there might be some fish back here. I don't think I'll see anything big, but feels good to bend the rod. Not that I haven't had nice fish back here. So that answers that question. A little pecking at the water. There we go, another one. Not going to be a big one. Another schoolie. But hey, there's some activity. Oh, a small guy, about the same. I'm going to turn on this red light because you guys aren't going to be able to see very much with it, I don't think. Oh, he is. Alright, last time it didn't seem to kill the bite, so I'm going to kill it this time. This one's a little bit longer. Not a small fish, but hey, like I said, this is much better than what I've been doing recently. You're right. What stuff so warm? Come on, oh, he's hanging out right here. My friend here. See that? Just at my feet. Swim away, little guy. Nighttime striper backbay fishing. All right, here we go again. Packed almost every cast. Right in close. Casting out there. There's a channel out there. A lot of times they sit in there too. Oh, he whacked it. Damn. Oh, there's some fish out here tonight. Okay. That's why I picked to cast that far. You never know where they're sitting. It is a beautiful night. Like that time, alright. So I'm getting hit every cast, not necessarily hooking up here with them. There's one, out far. We'll keep them on. Alright, this is turning into a not bad night pack here. Yeah, this one feels a little bit bigger, but he's in that current, so yeah. Oh, that's not a bad fish at all. That one's nicer than the last ones. Probably almost a slot. I'm not gonna get out of the water for a second. All right, good fall off. Be even better. Here he is. That, why not? 20 pounders, but hey. Oh, there he goes. Good. Bye bye. Don't have to mess with the hooks. Alright guys, well if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you to it. I'm trying to get a lot of daytime video and it hasn't. And wasn't working out for me too well. Some GoPro issues, some frustration level issues. But this night so far has been all right. Oh, he trapped it. Okay. Every kid, that one just kind of grabbed it and ran with it. And we hit it. Right. Oh, it's a hit or a fish every cast. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so what am I doing here? I'm casting an SP minnow and I'm just slowly bringing it back. Real slow retrieve. And that twitch, that little flick of the rod. And just like that. Are they gone? Are they gone, people? Nope, this one. I'll sit on the edge of that rip that's out there. I know you guys can't see it. If you imagine I was standing out in the water near the rip. Where's he going? I'll get away from there. I'll be twisting in this now. Turn around. Yeah, that's gonna be plier time. Because let me get this bottom one out real quick. Not messing up too bad. Come on, come on, come on, get out of there. One on his lip is like right there. It just take me. Okay, easy release. All these fish are school size. Nothing too big. And just casting out that SP minnow. Changing it slightly back. Giving it that little twitch. So I'm actually standing on a little bit of structure. And the water kind of rips off that structure to my right. And 3 out of the 4 fish so far have hit it just in that rip. You know, I'm kind of a little bit of a dry spell lately, so this little flurry of fish is making me happy enough. I did have a 12-pound fish yesterday, but you know, it was a lot of fishing, and at that point I had become frustrated and said I'm not wearing this GoPro anymore. So they don't like it like that. Interesting. Interesting. A lot of times in this spot, I just kind of get them moving through. Sometimes they'll stack up. Sometimes I'll get them in waves. Oh, there was a hit. Ah, he dinged it. It's still there. Bottom was just swiping at it. Not really hitting that aggressively. But they are there. Those first couple of taps I had, I swear to God, I don't even think they were bass. I don't know if you guys hear those little splashes. Hey, just lay on it, boy. That one's out there a bit. Run with me. Oh, don't run with me. He's doing a lot of splish. That's a weakfish. That's a big weakfish. That's a big weakfish. Oh God, stay on. I'm taking him back to the shore. That's a big weakfish. I thought there might be a chance. I thought there might be a chance. Yeah, baby. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. I'm gonna take this guy back to the shoreline. I don't know if you guys can see him. I really hope you guys can see him. Get on the shore. You'll be able to see him. I don't want to lose him. That's a really nice beaky. I'm going to kill him. But I do just want to get a weight on him. Oh, it's a real nice one. I'm going to keep him on this water here. Yeah. Alright. I can deal with that. Keep him on this little water here. Yeah, alright. Get these hooks out of him. It's hooked bad, so I should be able to release it pretty well. Not huge, not huge. Got a little excited, but he's a nice fish. Definitely a keeper. If I wanted to keep him, we're gonna do that. Try to get a couple of pictures of them. That's not going to be easy, is it? Let me get him on my poker grip. I can put him in the water. Probably not very heavy. Not really heavy fish. 4 pounds. Beautiful fish. Oh, hear him croaking? They do croak. They are a croaker. I know they're holding trout. I'll put him in here in this water here so he can breathe. So, I knew that one felt weird. He was jumping around too much. It'd be either a small blue or a weakie. Let's head on the water. There, buddy, before I let you go. fish. Cool fish. He's breathing right there in that puddle. Salt water there. Awesome. I did enough. Go croak. And little guy. Off he goes. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 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 Made the whole night. Okay, so totally awesome. Love it. Love it. I knew some of those pecks out there weren't stripers. There was no way. That's actually what I came out here to try and catch. Believe it or not. I know this water's still warm. I know these fish didn't. I just haven't been able to get out here and do it. Really bad winds. They're doing what I want to do. Not an 8 or a 10 pounder, but I'm trying to get one whole season. Uh-oh. I kill the bite in my excitement. That's the way the night ends, and I can live with that. And you know what's funny is this current feels like it's starting to slow down, and that's right when I got that weakfish. That always seems to be when I get them. I guess that's why they call them tide runners. Wow, dead now. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Incredible. Well guys, unless the bite turns back on, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'll probably film a little bit of an intro into this too, I guess. But I'll do that tomorrow when it's light, and then I'll put the video together. If you like this video, please, you know, subscribe to the channel. We need subscribers. Subscribers are big. Like the video, comment on the video. I'm pretty stoked about that weakfish, and I'm glad that you guys were here to enjoy it with me, because I've been hunting one of them down all year, and it's like either I just missed them or just can't get on them. Work's been rough. Been working a lot, especially the past couple of months. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying the video. I know we have a lot of repeat viewers. If you're a repeat viewer and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell notification for notifications on future content like this. And hopefully the fall is getting going, and we'll have a lot more video and hopefully some stuff during the day, which is always better. But thanks, guys.